me no money. When me not forget it.
Look at this. I can't take the sun. Look at this. People are the best furniture, man. And now get the contact if you don't have some respect.
And it's just ambition.
Have some
Because I don't have no money.
Look here.
And I make like a pattern them and everything.
So wait there. I him do everything. So he love you.
But as my cousin, you know.
He love you.
Yes, and him live at St. Elizabeth.
He love you.
Okay.
And so this a family member now play around.
Me tell you, everybody come and talk about my furniture, them man. The boy good. Good.
How old is he?
It was about 3 weeks since he came here, you know, 30 something. You see the night table in my room? I just made it about 3 weeks ago. Yeah, because I had two there, but they were too small for the bed.
I'll the table too.
Yeah, the table.
Chair.
The table. This one is my nephew didn't make this one. Is that my cousin? My cousin make all the beautiful ones like the kitchen.
The nephew.
But
Okay.
this is nice too.
This is nice. It actually energy feels different. But so this table right here, so what is I make this too? I make that? I make that?
You can just have space.
I make it.
I just pull it
All
out.
the sponge you make too.
You can me buy this, the top piece, because we wanted it black.
Wow,
Yeah,
nice.
so me can just
I make the dresser?
Yes, I make the dresser on the bed, the night table.
Wow.
Again, man, the boy body's a shame, man.
Boy, man,
And he give me good price because me and my blood.
hey, then the people will get good price too.
Not all about money, but ambition.
Wow, man, tell you, sir, Miss Gaby, just say I know, when me finish up my little place, you know, because what I like, you know, I like the fact that you know, have it, but I know, let me tell you something, I know many,
Everybody come back.
let me tell you something, at tourism,
I kitchen, everybody love it.
hey, and you know, the pattern, the way it's done, it's, I've never seen,
Everybody love it.
I've never seen, look how the
island. They say the island.
So here one day more have to cook, do a cooking show here, so
Yes.
lavish it all over to the world. I love to cook,
Yes.
but I love to cook in a space.
Space.
You see, I'm an artist when it comes to the kitchen. You know, my food,
I already
the
know.
ambience. So my status. Me say status, people them jealous of my status. But I love to see a Jamaican living in Jamaica, never traveled. You never really traveled.
Away from me take medical package and leave. Okay, and as me telling you, it's not all about money. It's just all about ambition. Because I don't have no money.
Yeah.
I don't have any money. Don't have any money. I make if you give me 1,000 Jamaican dollar, me save
Dollar.
$300.
300.
Or that I use 700. That's how my life.
I saw your work.
Yes.
30%. If we call you 30%.
Nothing.
All right, watch here. So you have a special, and the guy will do the tile, do this, right? Him is a different guy, right? I three of them. The cupboard one, the tile one, and the countertop guy.
Yeah.
I three of them. Well, people, this is Randy, and I gotta say, I've been to homes before, and it chuck up. And when me there in the kitchen, me know like the chuck up. You see how she organized tea maker, blender, knife set, hanging knife, cups, glass, even the drinking water have its own space. And even the dish for the plate them have elegance. Even the spoon holder have personality and everything straight. Nobody come lean up our place. Don't do it. You see, for President, we're going to get our little container for the soap dish. And her strainer, she put everything all over the place, right? She good on that. And her stove is well clean and our towels are matching. Yeah, the place is not cluttered. It's very nice. Yeah. So one day I come nasty to run the dirty kitchen. I'm just kidding. But one day, yes, I love it, Miss Gaby. I'm proud of you. I'm proud to see a Jamaican woman. You're one of the great ones. Yeah? Because this people spend 30 years of foreign and them can't do this.
I have never lived in the foreign.
Yeah.
Never.
And you see the thing is now, I know that say them can't afford to build a house and do this, you know, it's just.
What a bit pretty man.
You want to tell you something? My phone nice.
Pretty, okay?
So, I know like say they can't afford it, it's just foreign is a tricky place. Then we walk you, make you sick, then you swell out your money for hospital bills. So people, it doesn't have to be a big house, just get a big room and get a nice, at the corner, get a nice kitchen. Because when we start building at this moment, this, I don't want nothing different. I might tint the top as a light green or, you know, more to do, more to have removable tiles so we can change it up every 2 months. But I gotta say to you, I have a friend, Lisa, and Lisa would love to come cook here, so I'm gonna send this to her. People, this is one of the best.
Put up there.
Okay. This is one of the best tilers in Jamaica for this bathroom. I'm going to show you the kitchen. When you contact me to get this information for this tiler, you have to give a tip to the woman who find him. When you want to get the guy to make the cupboard, you have to give her a tip. Jamaicans, if you have money to build your own cupboard, you just want to take contacts and run up and down and do your own thing. She had to work hard through many people will feel her. Give her a tip. And when you give her a tip, you are the best tiler in Jamaica. But every time when you say, Randy, I need a contact for this, you're not even buy a t-shirt. On the walk, say, don't call me if you can do tile and build a house and you can say, Randy, hold this, thank you for the information. It's a consultation. Stop it. When you have bad vibration, let me show you the kitchen. Watch out. And see our room there for rent, Airbnb. You see this woman in Jamaica? A top shelf. And she not rich. But she know how to do rich things without money. Look what the man do. I don't want in contacts. I don't know, call me when I watch my show. I'm just a take. Buy some ice cream for somebody. Buy a bottle of rum. Send some rum money. You know, send me drink. And the woman have bills to pay, she have black. Look how she... It's a consultation. Eh? We don't want the guy who do the bed. We don't want the guy who do the tile. And then now make me show the kitchen. Why? And the best kitchen in Jamaica. Why? See there? It's not a rich woman. This show is called Poor Woman Will Look Rich. Hey! Move up my way. Me, I got somebody. Hey, look here. Best kitchen in Jamaica. She not rich. But you don't want our cupboard people. You don't want our contacts. You know, disrespectful, disgraceful. How you come want cupboard people and island people and tile people? And you say, boy, we can't get a donation because I'm Jamaican. I don't want something for nothing. We're a consultation decor. And you think you can get rich like this and get contacts like this without pay for it? Not lucky. Eh? Look there. Wow. She not rich. At Jamaica she live. She never traveled before. So how come when the rich and phone out kitchen not look like this? Because I don't have the contacts. What one I do? I must run the other girls. Look at it, man. Miss Gaby, let me tell you something. You see when me build my one big room up in the mountain, a good thing me I have friend, I may get the contact them for free. Why? See us man Randy, see the countertop there. Look here. Boom. I love it. I love your house. I love everything you do. I just love the fact that you're not rich, but everything about you is rich. You know, you're an artist. So people, if you want to stay here, she's getting the place ready in January. It's a one room, right? Airbnb. So you could, nice. And she's a nice lady. She cook good too. She cooked very nice. So the bathroom, the kitchen, and you become her friend before you build your house. Yeah, let's get serious, people here. Stop it. Link me at 646-330-9150 on WhatsApp. Take care of yourself. One love.